Today I'm going to talk about how to make tissue shred. This is something that you can make simply with a package of tissue and a pair of scissors. So it makes tissue shred really inexpensive, and you can get a lot of tissue shred out of a single packet of tissue. I love tissue shred because you can use it as a base filler for any kind of gift basket and just tuck it into that gift basket before you put your gift item on top. It also makes great vase filler when you're trying to make different centerpieces or just seasonal type displays. You can fill your vase with some tissue and some tissue shred and really give it a great look with a very low cost. So today I'm going to walk through how to easily and quickly make your tissue shred. So if first decide which colors of tissue you're going to use, if it's going to be one color or a couple, 2 or 3 different colors, or maybe even sometimes you might use some pattern paper. Open it up out of the package and just do that first unfold, and you're going to cut really thin strips with some scissors to start to get your tissue paper shredded. So I don't start actually pulling my tissue paper apart until I've cut quite a few pieces. You will need some sharp scissors. The way I'm cutting it here, I am cutting through a lot of layers of tissue. Your hand might even get a little bit tired when it's all folded up like this, but it does make it super fast. One package is a lot of tissue. I filled all 3 of those containers that you saw at the beginning. I only used half of a sheet, half of the package of tissue, and I still had a big pile of tissue shred that I didn't have anything to do with it. So a little bit goes a long way, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So once you get it cut, then you just need to separate out all of your tissue shred like you're seeing here. Just pull those layers apart, unfold them, and you'll end up with a heaping pile full of tissue shred. And then once you get that, you can just start stuffing it into any kind of container, whatever you're trying to accomplish, whether it is a gift basket, whether it's a vase filler. And I don't worry too much about trimming until I get my containers full. Once you get them full, you'll start to see they might, start heaping over the top, and you don't want to just crunch and smash it all in. And so that's when sometimes I will get in and actually start to do a little bit of trimming on my container. Again, I think tissue filler is such a great way to bring color and volume to your projects, whether you're filling a gift basket or a gift bag, or using it for vase filler or decor. It's super cheap and easy to make.